Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Gmail sync issues. The first thing you have to check is to see if you have good internet connection. Once you have a good internet connection, the other thing you need to check is to go over here on your top right and see if you have adequate or enough space storage for you to be able to receive new emails. And if everything else is set, what you can try to do is to refresh the page. You can either use this one or this one. Try to refresh the page and to see if you have received the new emails. If you're still having problems with the sync issues, the other thing you can try is to go onto your browser. Go where it says delete in browsing data. And you need to delete the cached files. And refresh your browser and try to see if there's new messages. You're done?